Important and crucial tie between Bodoland Fc and Odisha Fc.
The Bodoland.
Just 25 years of age, and Nicodim and Musaka coming in from the wide position, moved in for the customary toss. The Didwam with the very experienced Rakesh Oram. Here's the away team formation. There's Rahul at the top of it, Rahul Mukhe, just 22 years of age, leading the line. And Afoba can score goals. But Pumte Lapung would be a very important player coming from Arunachal Pradesh.
And vying for that top position, they have to do everything and put the ball in the net to get them the 3 points and keep them going in the Durand Cup. If you can move up and support in the attack, it's going to be an added power for this team.
Punte, that should be the goal. No, it isn't. He went through the near post, but what a great move. A breakaway. Yellow shirts attacking. The crowd roars, but the goal hasn't come so far. Advent Turkey. Back again, Bodoland. Putting so much pressure. Ajanta Rava, right foot. That could have gone in, but Neeraj Kumar did well to deflect that. He didn't attempt to collect it. Nicodim, can he beat that? Oh, my goodness. He would curse himself, opened up with that lovely turn. The crowd expected a goal here.
But Nicodim and the upright have got some relation over there. In the last match also, he had the entire goal onto his wide, just couldn't keep that ball in target.
Oh, this could be dangerous, and it Decker.
Angle was good for him to really put that ball away into the goal, but nevertheless, the goalkeeper comes out to narrow that, disturbs him, just couldn't get that foot right.
Again, Neeraj Kumar. Would the referee allow that? He wouldn't, because Ashwin has blown for that challenge. He was on the keeper. He doesn't agree. Ajanta Rava talking to the referee Ashwin.
But I think this should have been a goal. I don't think that there was any malified intention to really go and connect the ball or connect the goalkeeper the leg.
Movement from the right again. Pintu Samal. Good ball in. Can Afaba keep in play? Yes, it does. And sets it up. But that left foot, and that goes in! Pungte Lapung! Remember the name. The boy from Arunachal Pradesh. Just 20 years of age.
Once again, I would say the defense really not up to the mark there to clear that ball. And this lay-off was so brilliant. It was like set on a plate for him.
Near a goal line save. Once again, Bodoland putting pressure. The new man in Joe took the left footer.
Brilliant piece of work here. The ball comes very well. A little bit of counter-attack, but difficult here to really regain that composure behind for the man.
Manesha. He gets it. Again, making that final lunge forward. Manesha, why is he complaining? He shouldn't complain, but Neeraj Kumar, he's got injured in the process. It's all happening here at the Sai Stadium, Kokrajhar.
Maheshwar had all the time in the world to just chip that ball over the goalkeeper. Just could have just chipped that and said thank you very much.
And what a great performance they had in the Hero Indian Super League as well. And this is the goal! finally, or they get a goal, and Manesh Sir had just come in, the super sub, and the stadium erupts in joy.
We were talking about Neeraj Kumar and his attribute to the game, but look at this. Maneshwar simply gets under the ball. Neeraj Kumar makes his commitment to come to the ball, but never under it. Maneshwar simply gets up, gets the touch pretty well.
Manesh Sir again. This time the elevation not correct, but a good follow-up from the right. Cross, chance for a header. Show Aidu was there, and what a great move again from the right.
There's a good amount of aggressiveness in the Bodoland FC team. They kept their composure well up front. They kept putting men there.
The goal!
And
Manesh Sir and Mbenda joining the attack, and this could be the final goal scored by the Bodoland.
at this time, it comes from none other than Mbenda, who was at the right place at the right time, just tapping that ball in with great technique.
The club has been formed with the idea to develop footballers, and that is a moment of history. Bodoland FC have won the ultimate match against Odisha FC. There would be tears of joy. There would be certainly full-time score here at the Sai Stadium, Kokrajan. Odisha FC 1, Bodoland FC 2.